This is the second video of connecting rod assembly. In this one we will do the additional parts other than the connecting rod, say example bush, bearing brush and the distant piece and stud, and also along with that one pin. These are the components we did modeling using SolidWorks software. Disclaimer: this PPT has been prepared by referring many sources which include figures, diagrams from internet as well as from the prescribed textbooks and reference books. I do not claim any originality in preparing this video or PPT. This PPT or video is exclusively for purpose of education, not for any financial gains. I wholeheartedly thank all those who have directly or indirectly contributed to do this PPT and video. Now the second part of plumber block assembly is bush. This one is the part number 2 is bush. We'll do that model first. So it has a diameter of 12.7 and 18. So you can draw it directly. You can go to front view or you can go to top view, sketch, draw two circles by using the same center, and you can give a dimension as internal circle is 12.7 and external circle is 18. Exit sketch, picture, extrude, take it in the mid plane. Overall length is the given as 25. Okay, 25. Okay. And there is a groove inside. There is a groove of 2 mm with the 0.5 mm deep. So it will take, we will need to do that groove. So for that one, I will take a right to sketch, make it normal, and you can draw a groove. Groove using this straight slot itself, you can groove. Straight slot, take from corner to other end, and you can take this midpoint and the datum point should have coincident midpoint of axis line, and as the given width is 2 mm and length not given, we need to take it as approximately. So horizontal it is 15, so you can take this as 20. It's an oil groove, right? So it should we have maximum length 20. Exit sketch. Then keep it in an isometric view. Now we need to cut extrude it. Cut extrude. Now you can take this one as from the surface plane. I will take this surface. From that one I can give a depth as 0.5. See, 0.25 mm. Cut, change the direction. You can take the 0.5 mm depth cut. Give OK. See, now you can see the groove. Keep it in isometric view, and you have still you have a hole you required. So I'll take the same plane, make it normal, and draw a circle of diameter 2, what's the through hole? Not the 20, it is 2 mm. Okay. Next again cut extrude, change the direction to opposite and make it through. So it will cut the material in the through. So sir, this material is as they given as it is a bronze bush. So you can update it, file, save it as. Is there any chamfer we have? Edge chamfer not given. Save that in your required folder. This again not the part, it is a bush. Give a title properly. By giving a color for that one, you can save it. Appearance. So as they said, it is a bronze. So we'll go with that near to that one color. Okay. Then next part is stud. 3M this part. So go to file, new part. Okay. Stud part you can use directly as cylinder. Right to sketch, extrude, circle, and you can extrude it of diameter 10. As the given M10, when you set M10, diameter should be 10 mm. Give OK, and the length given is 55. Exit sketch, extrude it in the mid plane, and give the value as 55. Give OK. At the end we have a chamfer. So go to chamfer. Chamfer you can take as 1 mm. If not given, you need to assume that values. So select the face, both the face in the chamfer. Then we have a hole at this end for 4 mm at the distance of 4 mm with the diameter of 2.8. Go to top view, sketch, make it normal, draw a circle of 2.8 mm and the distance is given from here, it is 4 mm, and this should be at the, give a reference from the data point using an axis line or construction line. So anyway I took a mid plane, so extrude, sorry, not the extrude, should be cut extrude hole, blind to all, sorry, mid plane, yoke. Values whatever it may be the values, because anyway we record a hole at 4 mm distance. Clear? That this one is done. And one more hole it has to be done while doing an assembly. We do while doing an assembly. Thread is not possible to show on the material. So we need to show it. Whether it is possible to show the outer thread. Hole wizard, advanced hole and thread. Thread you can show, but it will cut down the surface. That's why we don't want to show it. What to say, see, you need to select the circle and the face. See, like that you can get the thread. need to select the size M10 without pitch. So like that, if you want, you can show the thread. So it won't looks proper. That's why we don't show the material. That's why we delete this one, or we can suppress it. Anyway, we don't want in this one thread. And again, the material it is again C20. Then go to appearance, blue color for the material, and a little dark gray. Okay. Save. It is as stud. That is the next one. File new part. Okay. After stud, there is a pin. Fourth one is pin. So extrude. Again, it is a straight one. Select the right plane. Diameter as 2.5. 2.5 mm the diameter, and the length is given as 24 mm. Exit sketch, and I will extrude it for 24 mm length. It's just a pin. Mid plane 20. View. And fillet is also not available. No need to view. So I will give appearance, material, view. Okay. File. Save. Save this one as it is pin. Next we'll have a material is bearing brasses, bronze bearing brasses. This one. We'll make a little bit zoom. So we'll go to file, new part. Okay. Now I can do revolve this one. So I can go to draw this profile and revolve it. Sketch. I've taken an axis line. Then I will take a line. And you can take a mid-plane axis. You can make this axis as horizontal, and with respect to this you can make it symmetric also. And this one also. But can the giving dimensioning will be less if you make the symmetric constraint. Within the less dimension you can constrain the workpiece. And this. Then you can give the dimension as internal diameter is 33. Then external diameter is 39. And workpiece distance, internal radius is 41. Nothing but it is a diameter, it is this one. From the axis to this point, that is 41. Yes. Then outer diameter is 56. 56. Then in between we have one more, that is 48. Where our workpiece is not equal. 48. The correct rod is going to be assembled. Exit sketch. Make it revolve. So we need to give this as 180 degree. Otherwise I can give this as, I told you 180 degree like this only. Next to this one you have a groove, this kind of groove. First I will take the vertical groove. I will take this surface. Now I can draw in a front to itself. Sketch. Make it normal. Again I will take the same straight slot option. From 1.8 draw. And the dimension is given diameter of, sorry, distance between or diameter or width of the tune is oil groove, that is 3 mm. These are groove 2 mm and 0.5 mm deep. 2 mm, and the length is datum point and to reconstruct these two, and the length they are not given, you need to specify. So make it 30, yes, 35. Then exit sketch. I'll take this one on surface. No, about this side surface we are supposed to do. So that I go to cut extrude. So here you can select the offset from surface. You can select the surface and you can select the surface. From here you can give a depth as 0.5 and change the direction towards this. Change the direction so it will cut like a groove. Next you require a hole in between. They given as 3 holes of diameter 2. Go to same in front sketch, make it normal and draw a circle for diameter 2 mm. Exit sketch. Then go to cut extrude, make it through all. So you can make it through all. Okay. Once you got the hole, then you can need to make an array. So go to circular pattern, select any circular face for the direction, any circular edge you can select. Then you need to select the features and faces. Feature is this one and one circular cut and a slot. Then they given as 2 we required at a 45 degree in one direction and one more we required at other end. So for that we go to direction 2. There also need to type number of entity should be 1 and angle should be at 45. As they given here 90 between those two. So both the side again 45 45. You okay. See the pattern is get featured. Next we need to make a one more groove, horizontal groove of 3 mm deep at 1 mm, 1 mm deep, 3 mm width. So for that one, what we'll do, we will draw a slot or a rectangle, and we can say front view, sketch, right plane, make it normal, and you can sketch a rectangle. It will help you. You can take a reference from the datum point or midpoint of this one. As the given width, the depth is 1 mm deep, so we'll give here 2 because 1 mm inside, 1 mm outside, and the width is 3 mm. Exit sketch. Next, straight away you can go to revolve cut or revolve cut. So once you select that profile, it required an axis. So edit sketch. So when you say revolve cut required an axis, if it is swept out, it required a guidelines. Please remember these two. Okay. Exit sketch. Revolve cut. Now we don't want 360 degree. I will make this one as 45 degree. 45 degree is not sufficient. We will make a little bit more. Say example 51 or 50. We have 51 itself. Anyway, we need to give a fillet radius also there. Give OK. Now we need to give other side also. We'll edit feature, go to direction 2, and here also 51. So you need to check whether it should cross the hole. Give OK. Next we need to have a fillet. Go to fillet command of radius. You can give it as 1.5 because you know the width is 3 mm. Choose two opposite lines so it will form the round smooth fillet. Okay, you got the required shape. Now you can save this one and you can give a color for this appearance. Will give the color for that one as like it's look like a bronze. Give OK, and file name should be follow the same name, bearing brushes. File, save, and you can give this one as bearing brushes. Okay, done. This one is done. Then we have one more is distance space. We'll finish that one also. Distance space is this one. So file, new, part, okay. Now you can have a distance space. We need to draw this profile in a top view, sketch, make it normal. I have a circle and you have one more circle. So inside circle is diameter of 10.5. Outside circle is radius 10 means diameter 20. Now we require a horizontal line from this point somewhere, not here. From one point I require one horizontal line then inclination, extrude inclination, then up to the origin. Then the remaining portion I will do mirror once you constrain this gauge. That is my plan over here. So as the given width is, we will see how much it will. Width given as this one is. So if we give this one also 7 mm, so it will come within the profile. So it's supposed to be 7. Then we will draw one axis line here, small length to make symmetric these two. And this one is symmetric and 2 to mm. So this taper is 2 mm. Small dimension. This is 2 mm and even this is 2 mm. Then this is 1.5. So dimension from this to this is 1.5. Now you have overall width of 33. You can have an axis line will be held. So draw first an axis line and make this one is vertical, and from I will give a diameter, so width of this one is with respect to the diameter as 33. Okay. Now our work is you need to replicate this one. So mirror entities. Before that we have a tangent linear. Invest it from this point to somewhere here where it will join. That should be tangent. You need to see the tangent icon, then only you need to give OK. Then I will trim the line first, which are not required. Even this one is also not required. Then I will mirror these things first. Mirror line, vertical line, horizontal, and even these lines with this mirror about this axis. Give OK. Now one line is missing. Give OK. Then I will trim this one, and even we don't want this. But still it's not constrained. Why? We need to give a reference from this point to this one. Then 2 to mm will give 7 mm. Because the 7 mm dimension is missing from here to this is 7 mm. So all got constrained. See, only thing is while trimming that dimension line was trimmed so that it was unconstrained. So edit sketch, exit sketch, extrude of thickness is 3 mm. OK. What is the name and size of the finish? Distance with bronze. So you can go to file, appearance, and give a test as this is also bronze, so I will go a little bit darker in this one. Save this file as brown. distance space. Distance space. The remaining parts were taken in the next video. Thank you. For further details, you can contact me, Sandeep S, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Canada Engineering College, Pantola, and my mail ID is sandeepmysore07@gmail.com, and my contact number is 9900092934. Any clarification or any information, you can contact me with respect to this video. Thank you once again.